Hi, my name is Ian, and today I'm going to demonstrate the opening procedure for a three-wheel safe combination lock. Our demonstration model here is currently set on the combination of 40, 20, 60, and because we're opening the safe, we're going to use the opening index in the 12 o'clock position. Now, the first step to the sequence is we're going to set our dial in the 12 o'clock position on the 0. Now, we then need to dial in the anti-clockwise or left rotation, and we're going to stop on the 40 on the 4th time. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. And there's 4. Now, the next step in the sequence is to dial in the right or clockwise direction, and we are dialing to the 20, stopping on the 3rd time. There's 1. There's 2. Stopping on the 3rd, which is right there. The next step to the sequence is to dial back to the anti-clockwise direction or left, stopping on the 60 on the 2nd time. There's 1. And we're going to stop on the 60. There's 2. All of our wheels are now aligned. We can now turn the dial to the right or the clockwise direction until it comes to a complete stop. And there is our open safe. Thanks for watching.